That was fast.
Water, water.
Yes, it was.
Water, water.
Yes,
Water, water.
Restrict some kind of security protocol.
Water, water.
I still have access to everything.
But let's get the information and get out of here.
That's fine with me.
Water, water. Water, water.
If your core government is offered for a new replicator.
Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. That's a good girl. Yes, it is. That's such a good girl. Yes. No, don't spill it. Don't spill it. No, I know you like it. Don't spill it. Silly. 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 Don't spill it. Yeah. Don't. No, that opens and closes the window. You know that. You watch me all the time. You watch me all the time. We go around. Yeah. Goes around here. You drink. Drink, drink. Drink, drink. Water, water. Water, water.
That's exactly what we should do, Doctor. Leave them. We came here to locate the founders, not to fight the Jim Hadar over two expendable.
Water, water.
The Jim Hadar have entered the system. They'll be in orbit in 30 seconds.
Good girl. All right. Good girl. No, don't spill it now. Okay. Okay.
Prepare to leave orbit, Major. As you were, Doctor.
Uh-huh.
Lay a course to the coordinates Dax sent us.
Okay. Hi. Ah.
7.
Ah. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah.